So I'm here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110834. Well, my name is Satvinder. What's your full name?
My full name is Khushbu Bansal.
What shall I call you?
You can call me Khushbu.
So Khushbu, first of all, just let me know, are you a student or do you work?
Currently, I am a student. I am preparing for IELTS exam. Earlier, I was working as a retail store manager in Gurgaon, in Blackberries.
Okay, so did you enjoy your previous job?
Yes, I enjoyed it fully as I learned a lot of things there, and I was very confident while working with them, and it was a very good experience for me.
Alright. So, Khushbu, let's talk something about your friends. Do you like to have a lot of friends?
Well, I love to have a lot of friends as I love to know about people and their experiences, and I love to know about the cultures, traditions. So I have a lot of friends, and I am interested in making a lot of friends.
Okay. So, do you like to share your secrets with all of your friends?
I can be somewhat diplomatic in this case, and as I don't like to share my secrets with everyone, yes, I share my secrets with whom I am very comfortable and who are trustworthy.
Okay. So, do you feel that all the friends are true? They're always true?
Well, we can have friends depending upon the situations, and most of the time we are having true friends, but sometimes we are having professional ones also in our professional companies, and we shall not tell them the secrets. What I feel. This is what I feel.
What do you feel about the online friends? Do you like to have a great list of online friends?
Well, I don't have a great list of online friends as I'm not very much comfortable in online platforms for making friends, as I am very much comfortable while making friends in face-to-face talking and in the used to life only.
Alright. So, and what about telling lies to friends? Do you ever tell lies to your friends?
Well, not. It hasn't happened regularly with me. I haven't told any lies on a frequent basis to my friends. It is a rare case in my life.
In what type of situations you tell
Like
lies?
it can be daily situations on day-to-day basis. It can be related to work, or it can be some like target achievements. Not more than that.
Is it good to tell lies or to...
There are some situations where we can hide some things, and for the routine purpose, this is not a good thing to tell lies to someone.
Okay.
As we can lose trust with this. So I think this is not a good thing to tell lies to our friends or people or our relatives.
So while choosing a friend for you, which things you look into a person?
While I make friends, they should be interactive. They should have a genuine suggestion as that like me, and they should have their the capability of expressing their opinions, and they should have a very good approach and a legal approach, I must say. They should be reliable also.
Like as these days we see that there is a lot of friendship breakup. What might be the reasons for that? Why friendships break up?
These days friendships are breaking because of the trust issues. We can't trust everyone. This is the foremost reason that the friendships are getting broken these days, and also people are not reliable. So these are the prominent reasons for this thing.
Alright. So Khushbu, let's move to second part. Here I would give you a topic and you need to speak about 2 minutes. And there is 1 minute to think about your ideas. You can even make notes if you want to do so. The topic that you need to speak about is: describe a person who encouraged you to achieve a goal. Shall we start, Khushbu?
Yes.
Yes, please start.
Well, I remember an instance when I was working with blackberries in Gurgaon in Haryana, and this was my first job, and I didn't had experience in this sector. This was a retail marketing, and as this was a campus placement for me, so this was a very new area, and I haven't explored it yet. When I reached there, there was a large team who supported me a lot, but there was my senior who probably became my friend later on, and in the starting he encouraged me a lot as I was facing issues on a daily basis to achieve my goals, to achieve my set targets, and there was my evaluation also for which I wasn't prepared, and I lacked confidence at that time as I had no knowledge of that area. So he helped me in boosting confidence at that time. He taught me about every fundamentals of that area, like how should I work, what should be my targets, and how should I proceed further. He taught me everything. Being a senior, he was very friendly to me, and he was my role model in that career. Because of the motivation and because of the support he given to me, I was very encouraged, and I was really feeling motivated at that time, and he supported me a lot for the further endeavors, and he helped me a lot in achieving my goals, and the day I cleared my evaluation for the promotion, I was very happy, and he congratulated me firstly. This was the foremost, and this was the very important thing for me in my whole of the career. And so I think everyone should have genuine friends, and everyone should make friends who guide their paths and who motivate them and who enriches their soul with these things and with these learnings. And I am very blessed to have such a friend in my life, and I must say that I share everything.
Alright. So, is it important to set a goal?
Well, according to my perspective, it is the most important thing in one's life. Otherwise, our life will have no direction, and where shall we move? We have no purpose in our life. So this is the most important thing in our life, to set a goal.
At what age people start setting their goals?
Well, it depends upon person to person. A person can set a goal even at the age of 2 or 5, or he can even set the goal at the age of 20. It depends upon the goals and the targets we want to achieve, and it also depends upon the nature of an individual.
Okay. And do you also feel that the goals that people set, they vary with their age?
Yes, definitely they vary. Like in the young years, in our budding years, we were having goals like we want to achieve our marks, we want to have first position in our class. But nowadays, as the age proceeds, the goals start changing. As now we want to have promotion in our careers, we want to have high salary packages, and for the further ages, we want to have good relationships. So yes, the goals changes as per the changes of age.
Alright. So what can encourage children towards setting and achieving their goals?
Well, we can encourage children by giving them targets, by helping them setting their standards. In this way they can set their goals and their targets, so they can achieve their benchmarks. This can be the prominent way for them.
What can be the problems that a person might face while setting a clear goal for himself?
The problems can vary while setting a goal. It can be like we don't know the exact position where we want to reach, or if we can lack self-confidence on the way while we are working for that goal, and we can even lack the direction for in the area, in the journey that we are processing for the goal.
And do you feel that we should know down each and everything that we want to achieve, or they should be just memorized?
Well, according to me, we should definitely note down everything, as we have different mindsets on every day, so that on the later on stages we can figure it out that from where we have started and till where we have reached. So it's a important thing to note down everything, as the goals can vary, as the mindsets can vary from time to time.
Okay. And what about revealing the goals with others? Like, do you feel that you should reveal your goals, or you should like tell others about your goals?
Well, we can reveal our goals to the people who are trustworthy to us and who can guide us in our paths so that we can't lost anywhere. And we can't reveal the goals to everyone, as it can be a negative aspect also. We can have a lack of confidence also by the way they hinders our goals. So it depends upon the person, and it depends upon their relatives and the people they have there in their life.
Alright. So this is the end of your speaking test. Thanks for coming. You may leave now.